So hello friends, welcome to Intron YouTube channel and learning session of learning Python with the Intron. In this video, we will see what is a single inheritance through an example. So as we have studied in the previous video, single inheritance is nothing but it will be having one base class, and from that base class, one child class will be inherited. So we can say, or derived class, instead of child class you can say from base class we inherit and derived class. So now let's study this through an example. So now I will create here one class. I will name this as parent. So this is my parent or my base class. So in this I will define one method. Def one is my method, and let's pass self here, self, and under this method I will give you one command, print I am parent. It will print as I am parent. So now we have to create an child. So how to create child? So it is having very similar syntax to that of this base class. So this is an base class basically class. So I will name this derived class as an child. So this is my child class. It is an derived class. So now we have to tell it is an derived class and from which class, which base class it is being derived. So this child class is derived from this parent class. So it is derived from parent. So we pass this parent here so that compiler understands that this child class is inherited from this parent class. So now under this also let's give one method, if one I will use here. Now I will give here self again. So now let's give one more print command here, and now this time it should print I am child. So now let's create an object. So as we have studied, inheritance is nothing but this child class will inherit and properties of parent class. So now we'll create an object of child class. So obj is equal to our child class is child. So here we have created an object. So now let's give call. So as we have studied definition, all the properties will be inherited. So by using this object of this child class, you can call this method of an parent class also. Now let's call that method of parent class using an object of child class. Obj dot fun is my method present in the parent class, and now secondly let's call and method present in the child class, that is fun one. Now let's check our output, what it gives. So here is our output that I am parent and I am child. So here we have seen how we can inherit and properties. So by using a single object, that is of object of child class, we have called the method of parent class as well as child class. Now I will explain more deeply about this. So now let's pass one parameter to this function. We'll here receive as a name, and let's pass our YouTube channel name here, Intron. I have passed Intron, and now it should be assigned self dot name we will do, and it should store value name. That name is being received. You can use here any variable name instead of name. I have used here name only. So now let's print this value, that is our self dot name of that value is present in parent class. Now let's print it in the child class. Print self dot name, and now let's run our program, check the output. So here is our output. I am parent, I am child, and intron. So now let's compare our program. So first of all, what we have studied in this single inheritance means by using an object of child class, we have given call to the method of parent class as well as child class, and whatever the properties or we can say attributes present in a parent class, we have inherited it to the child class. So thank you friends, and keep learning.